Keto and Fasting, Day 13 of the 30-Day Keto Challenge with Jane Does Keto. Hi, this is Jane Mitten. Just to go over a few things to see how you did on the first day of spring today. It's getting hot, at least here in Scottsdale, Arizona. It's gone from 58 to about 85 in just a matter of days. And it makes the workout a lot harder. And it certainly makes a few things more important as we head to day 14 and the halfway mark on a 30-day keto challenge. So one thing I noticed today when I did a very big workout was I really needed a lot more water. And beyond the water, I needed electrolytes in the water so that I wouldn't faint. So think of that. Think of drinking more water and also putting electrolytes in, putting some salt in your water. Make it sea salt. And I also use collagen. I figured out that the collagen powder that I was using in the whey protein shake that I don't take anymore, I could just put that collagen powder in water and it really tastes good. I use a little lemon and also, maybe crush some of the vitamins if they're granulated also in there, and you don't notice anything. So that helps a lot. And just be aware of your body. So at this point, you're probably not tired, but as you move from, carbs and sugar and alcohol and packaged and processed foods to, really clean protein and high quality fats like avocados, and no sugar, no alcohol, no processed foods, you probably will be tired. So if you're tired, go to bed early. It's fine to get an extra hour or more of sleep. And a lot of us weren't even getting 7 or 8 hours before. So if you need to go to 2 hours more, make it happen. Explain to your family what you're doing is you're doing something for your entire family. You're going from being the caretaker of everyone else to the caretaker of yourself. And in doing so, you'll have more vitality, energy, and enthusiasm, as well as clarity of mind and thought to bring to them. So it only enhances everyone in the family. But I hope that you had a good first day of spring. And I hope that everyone all over the country, if not the world, is experiencing some sun. I'd like to give you some of mine, but on keto and fasting, we also have to eat a diverse amount of food. So I think a lot of us tend to eat the same things for a lot of our meals. And I notice for myself, now that I've switched to something called OMAD, which is 1 meal a day, it's very important to think of it as, fuel as opposed to almost entertainment, the food. So today, and I put this up on Instagram on Global Jane, but I made some scrambled eggs, organic, of course, cage-free eggs, some turkey bacon, and I sprinkled some nice peppercorn on that, and then used the Swerve sugars. And if you're not familiar with Swerve, you need to be. They're available, again, at Kroger and Safeway and I think Trader Joe's and most of the major department, grocery stores. And what they have in them is sugar alcohol, which is erythritol, and that doesn't count as sugar, and it also doesn't count as carbs. It net carbs down to a 0. So I put a little of that. They make it in brown sugar. They make a powdered sugar and a granulated. So I used brown sugar on the turkey bacon. It was fantastic. I also made a huge greens salad, many different types of leafy greens, and some cucumbers and a few other things like that. And then I also made something that I'm going to put the recipe up for, but combining more like a dessert, but with no sugar. And I think if you start to, add a few more things to your diet, because you do need a lot of vegetables, you do need those healthy proteins, and most importantly, you need the fats. So, use olive oil, use butter, the Irish butter, use ghee, use avocado oil, and certainly eat half an avocado a day, which really helps you. And I think you'll get your energy back. You'll be feeling great. And we're moving to day 14 tomorrow. So I wish you a great day 13. Happy spring. And I hope you're seeing the sunshine, seeing a few flowers. And just know that we're going to be doing this for 30 days and beyond. I'd like to tell you that on day 31, I'm thinking of doing a 72-hour fast to reach autography. I'll go over that in the next video. Again, this is Jane Mitten at Jane Does Keto, and I'm also on Global Jane on Instagram. Join us for day 14 tomorrow. You can start any day to make a major difference in your life. Remember, your past does not equal your future, and you have a great future ahead of you. Join us. Thanks.